Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm on camping again after long winter time. Yeah, and lockdown. Now it's time to go to the woodland and stay in the woodland and connect with nature. So it's beautiful. Yeah, today I'm in this woodland with river. So today I want fishing here like last time. Maybe I can catch some fish. Maybe, who knows. Yeah, today I have with me mixed maggots. Maggot, yeah, something like this. Yeah, no red worms, just maggots, so white fish like this. Yeah, I have with me, this is Chinese chair like this. I don't know it's good or not. We see. If not, I don't know. I find this chair on Amazon. 150 kilo, something like this. Can sit down. Strong. This is not looking like a strong, but who knows? Plastic, aluminium. I don't know. Maybe enough. I'm very heavy man, so if not, if this is broken, this going to the bin. This is cheap chair, so I don't care really. I have in my car another one, a fishing chair, so I can bring here. This is no long walk to my car, so I can bring in here, and yeah, I can use if this one go for broken. We see. Yeah, I have wood. Oh, it's ready. Yeah, this is for my fire today. Yeah, very sunny Saturday. Birds. Nice, everything wake up. Spring. Yeah, tree. It's not green everywhere yet, but soon more and more flowers on the tree. Yeah, I love this time. Spring is very nice. This is my favorite. I don't like winter. Yeah, spring, summer, oh, this is my the best. So, the best time. So, okay, it's time to make a fire and everything. So, see you later, guys. One more thing. I'm not putting on my channel new video. I have one couple of weeks ago. I've been in the forest, pick up the winter mushrooms, so soon you can see. Yeah, and you know, this is lockdown and winter, I no go for camping anywhere, so yeah, and I don't have good time because I've been in hospital too. Because I have problem with my heart, but they fixed me. And I think, yeah, fingers crossed, everything now is fine. I know won't go anymore. So I need to eat healthy, no more alcohol, no more cigarette. Yeah, because I smoke sometimes. Now I give up. This is half year I don't touch. More like half year. Yeah, in the summer it's like 1 year I don't touch cigarettes, because time ago when I drink beers or something I like to smoke, but now I don't touch. This is disgusting. And this is not good for my heart, so alcohol, just couple of beers, beer, something like this, maybe cider, little, not too much, because this is not healthy. And yeah, I want my heart make very healthy, and I don't need problem anymore, because I have problem with blood pressure, and this is, yeah, I must be careful. Yeah. This is my new fire pit. Name is Winter Well, if you can see. Winter Well stock. Very good fire pit, folding. This is what I am looking for, and now I can use to my camping. For my camping I'm very happy. Okay, this is my another stove with little bag. This is stuff from Amazon. This is stuff from Amazon, made in China, like everything made in the China, and cheap, not very expensive. Okay, so this is on top, set up, job done. Couple of seconds, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yeah, very good. The same when we finish, just this up, fold, this going inside, that's it, and to the back. Okay, now I want to test this, how this working. So I made fire inside, we'll see how this works. Cool, huh? Another stove. This stove I made myself. Yeah, this is my stove. Inside it's a wood, so I take off. Okay. Okie dokie. So, okay. This I made myself. This is like a, when you can see on internet, this is stove like a solo stove, but solo stove is expensive. This is price like a £100, so this is expensive. I always want, but too much. And I find this on Amazon. This is exactly like a this is for food can. You can keep biscuit or something, or tea bags, and this is like a plastic glass. Yeah, and close this. You can find this in Amazon, on eBay. This is cost me like a £30, something like this. Yeah, so I made holes in here, like you can see, and in the bottom. This is around, and in the bottom, and this is cup, and this going to bigger one, but bigger one I take glass, this plastic glass off. It's no exist anymore. Inside is like this, just holes, bigger holes around this can. This is going on top, and when this glass is off, this hole in here, this one, small one, going inside, and then we can take this top off. And this is look like solo stuff. Exactly the same. I think you can see. And now I make a fire in here, and this is like a gas burn, wood gas burn. This is without smoke, so it's smoke free. I think I never tried this, and I think this bottom I can touch when this fire is on. I can touch bottom, and this must be cold. So like in solo stuff, we try. And on top I made something like this. So you can put in sticks on top. You have kettle. Cool. Very good. This exactly I made from the supermarket trolley. Yeah. Old supermarket trolley I find been damaged, and I cut inside the trolley and I made something like this, and this is going on top. So it's cool. Yeah. And when I finish fire, when we finish everything, take off this like this, and on top this. So in here I can put in something, I don't know, something like a gas bottle or something, and then this going in the back. So cool. Yeah, this is food canister, 14 centimeters. This is full canister, 14 centimeter. This one I don't remember, maybe 10 or 12. I need to check. Later I give on my, yeah, later I give you notes what size is. You can see on my description. Yeah. So this is canister, food canister. Item number 15633 on Amazon. This smaller one I find on eBay. So together cost me like a 30-35 pounds, something like this. Yeah, is bigger size like a solo stove, and the solo stove price, yeah, like more like 100 pounds or something like this. So really cheap, and I think this is work. So now I test. All right. How you can see, guys, this is smokeless gas, wood gas burn around. So this is working like a solo stove. So I'm very happy. Yeah, it's cool. It's working. Smokeless. No smoke, so it's cool. Very good job. I made this. I'm very happy. Okay, now I check this is hot or not. Yeah, it is. Bottom is a hot. No liking. I can touch, but I feeling. Yeah, I can touch. Yeah. So if I have gloves, like a normal gloves, garden gloves. Oh. Yeah, normal gloves, so I can take this up. Bottom is not. Yeah, it's warm, but without gloves I cannot touch. So, free stove, free stoves, and all working fine. Last one, super, like a solo stove. So less smoke, so it's very cool. I'm very happy. Now is this one working fine too. I like this one. It's cool. Yeah, test done. I'm very happy my solo stuff working. Now going for cold, and I can use sometimes in the forest is no less smoke, so nobody can see I'm make a fire somewhere. Yeah, it's safe because I give on bottom fire blanket. I like this one. So it's very safe, and no smoke. Very cool. Okay, now I made this fire, and it's time to eat something because I'm hungry now. Yeah, I'm very hungry. It's time to my dinner. Now it's evening. Yes, I don't know how many minutes past 8. I walk close to the river. Very nice evening. Yeah. Okay, I have somewhere free potato, so I can cook inside the fire. Yeah, a potato from the fire is very delicious. So, all right. Hi. Yes. Coffee done. No, breakfast done. Coffee done. So now I finished packing my place, my tent and tarp and everything. Yeah, it's time to go home. I spent half day yesterday afternoon, today night, and today morning. Yeah, I very enjoy. Like you see, this forest is not forest, woodland. It's not green yet, but soon will be nice. Very amazing place. I love it. So this river, not too much water for this time. You remember last year when nearly top? Now it's wow, 1.5 meter water gone. But if rain come in, this water come back. Maybe fish come back and we can fishing, because today morning is nothing. So I think every fish gone with water. Yeah. Alright, so I'm packing now. This is my trolley. Oh, it's my trolley. Yeah, I'm packing now. Clean this place. Only grasses, but grass come back for good. Yeah. Every rubbish I taken with me. Nothing left. So see you next time. Goodbye.